Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into University of Birmingham student account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into University of Birmingham student account, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in the address intranet.birmingham.ac.uk and hit on enter like this, guys. And then you'll be over here on this section of the page where you can see the login page or the login button available for us at the top right corner of the screen over here. Click on login, and in order to proceed to your student login, click on the staff and student login over here, and you'll be required to enter the username or the email address of your Birmingham student account. And after that, guys, click on the next button over here, and on the next step you'll be required to enter the password of University of Birmingham account's password. And with that being done, guys, on the next step after entering password, you'll be logged into your University of Birmingham student account on your computer. And guys, this is how to log into your University of Birmingham student account on your PC. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.